A birdie. It's a birdie. It's a birdie. There's a birdie. My daddy can't catch him. It's a birdie. My dad. Wait, Dad. Dad. Ah! We've got him. We've got the little small yolk.
Like, give my phone.
1 second. Leave him off in the feed bar.
What's the bird called? Fly rover?
Rover! Fly Rover! Where's Rover gone? Rover! It's gone. Rover! Little Rover! I'm back wherever you are. Little Rover! Rover! Rover's not there. That's going to be in the end of our video. How to catch a bird.